A three-member panel of senior judges has recommended the initiation of removal proceedings against Justice Yashwant Verma, a sitting judge of the Allahabad High Court. Remember, he was removed to Allahabad after this entire row emerged. He was in the Delhi High Court earlier. This following an investigation into an accidental fire at his government residence that led to the discovery of large quantities of burnt and partially burnt currency notes. NDTV has accessed the judges' panel's findings, which claim that there is enough proof to call for Justice Verma's removal, given the amount of cash really that was recovered and how this cash could not have been found, could not have been there at his residence without either his knowledge or his family's knowledge. The fire broke out at 11:30 p.m. on March 14th, which was in fact Holi in Delhi at the official residence of Justice Verma while he was serving on the Delhi High Court. However, the news, remember, had emerged a week later. It was reported in the media, and after the hue and cry and the controversy over it, the Chief Justice at that time, Sanjeev Khanna, had ordered a three-judge inquiry into the entire matter. That probe report was submitted to the Prime Minister as well as the President, and now details of that report have been revealed. This even as Justice Yashwant Verma has remained defiant, saying and questioned this entire probe process. Earlier we spoke to Nupur for more.
We have accessed the report on the inquiry that was set up by the Chief Justice of India against Justice Yashwant Verma. It is very clear that the committee, the panel, was convinced that he should be, in fact, a disqualification proceeding should be initiated. They have clearly recommended that there is enough evidence to recommend removal of Justice Yashwant Verma. They have, in fact, questioned the staff of Justice Yashwant Verma, the Delhi High Court judge at whose residence the burnt cash, stashes of burnt cash were found. So now, in a very detailed report that we have access, we can see that even though the judge has denied that that he found any cash in his storeroom, the inquiry committee, after questioning the staff, found that there was incredible amount of burnt cash as well as the cash that was not burnt, that was saved from the fire, and many of the staff have also admitted to the panel seeing the burnt cash, the debris of the cash, while Justice Yashwant Verma has categorically denied any presence of such or recovery of such cash from his storeroom in his official residence. He has also when this panel's committee report was submitted to the Chief Justice of India, Sanjeev Khanna, the then Chief Justice, he had sought a reply from Justice Yashwant Verma. Justice Yashwant Verma, remember, had in fact criticized this report and had said that in fact he had in his reply to Chief Justice called it a unfair investigation, and he had raised questions on the investigation. He is still maintaining his stance that he is innocent, and as we all know that this report was forwarded to the Prime Minister of India and the President for consideration, and there are now talks of initiation of an impeachment process against the High Court judge. So it is in fact a very big, a big case, and it is in fact an eye-opener for the common man on how, some judges can operate and how corruption cases can emerge out of their operations.